together to create a better planet. That's what our community have the support from people like the DC Bridge Park and other nonprofits in the city. I think it's really important to just have events like this because we connect with other entrepreneurs and just grow as a community.
It has to, we got to do this. We got to keep doing stuff like this because this community needs, I'll say, like a beacon. That's what this type of event provides, is a beacon.
And when we have these community events, we get to see that we are not enemies of one another. We get to partner, we get to network, the children get to come out and play. Like, I get to hear laughter, I get to see the children riding bikes in Ward 8, east of the river. And that there is negative energy in the universe, but there's also positive energy, baby. We have good vibrations east of the river. Come, party with us, commune with us, live with us, have fun with us, and grow with us.